Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to see your favorite stickers on Snapchat. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now, let's open up the Snapchat app here and tap on the camera. Now, let's say I wanted to take a photo. I could always add a sticker from this by tapping on the little scissor icon. And it says, make a sticker outline an object with your finger to make it a sticker. So let's say I do something like that. Now I can move this sticker around wherever I want and save it as a sticker. I can also use someone else's snap or story to create a sticker. So let's go out of here, and then let's tap on the person at the bottom, right? And just go to someone's story. I'm going to tap on the 3 dots at the top, right? And I'm going to hit Remix Snap T. Let's just say I wanted to take an image without me in it. I could tap on those scissors, and again, I could basically make maybe that golf cart a sticker. Now, you'll be able to see that little image of the sticker right above the scissors. I can tap on it, and it will show me all of my stickers. And if you are on this star icon, here you will see all of your favorite stuff, including stickers. It will also show me any other things that I want to add on here, any kind of GIFs, animations. I can scroll through this list and see all of them on here directly. I can also go over and tap on the little scissors icon again, and it will show me all of those stickers that I've already created in the past that I can always just tap and add to this specific photo or video or whatever I want. So I can make those from both my photos or videos, as well as anyone else's stories or snaps or anything like that. So that's basically how you can see your favorite stickers on Snapchat. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.